Okay, let's make a new event. There's two ways to start a new event. One is to click over here to the Events Manager, to the Events post type. Once you click in there, you'll see a list of current events, and you can hit the Add New button. You can also create a new event from anywhere on the back end by coming to the New shortcut button in the top bar, coming down to Event. So those two actions will do the same thing. Events Manager, Events, Add New, or New Event. Here's our new event. We'll give it an event title. We'll give it an event description. The event settings will allow you to sell tickets to the event. You can set a quantity for how many you'll sell, and you can set a price for how much they are. $250, $99, whatever you want it to be. The date fields will do the calendar features. So you click in and get a drop-down calendar. Let's say that the event starts tomorrow at 5 o'clock, which is 1700 hours, and then ends tomorrow at 8 o'clock. You can use the drop down. 8 o'clock would be 20 hours. Location field is what powers the map feature. This can be as vague or specific as you want it to be. So Salem, Oregon will give you a pin in the middle of the city. A street address will give you a pin at the street address, so you can make that as specific as you want. There's a little feature here I don't think you'll need, but if you click this custom title and subtitle button, it allows you to make the title something different than the name of the page. Probably won't need that. Also, there is the discussion box. So the discussion box is by default checked to allow comments. If you don't want people to be able to add comments to the event, then you'll want to uncheck that before you publish it. Also, there are the organizers. Right now, Tom is the only one that's added in as an organizer of events. If you have other people that are going to be speaking or part of the events, you can add them in the organizers box. Now on the right, we can save our draft. We should pick a category for the event, what type of event it is. Here are some that I've added in. You can always add a new category right here. And also you want to set a featured image to make sure that the image features are being utilized. So we'll just arbitrarily pick one of Tom's here, set the feature image. It'll appear here in a second. There it is. Now we can save our draft. And now we can preview it, make sure that it looks like we want it to look before we post it. Here's how our event will look. There's our featured image. Here's our timer being run by the start date and time. We have 25 tickets for sale at $99 a ticket. People can book the tickets right here on the page. Here's where the description of the event will show up, as well as the timing, start and finish, and the address, which is pinned to Salem because we just put in the city. And again, the event participants that we saw down at the bottom, here the organizers, shows up at the bottom here with their profile picture. So that looks pretty good. You know, that's going to be fine. Right now it's not showing up. Here's the new reformatted news page with your upcoming events and also all your past events. So that isn't showing up yet because we haven't published it. Come up here and hit the publish button. That is temporarily published. Come back to the news page and refresh. And now it will show up in the upcoming events. There we go. There it is on the 13th. We'll go ahead and put that in the trash can so it doesn't stay up on the website for more than a few seconds. But there you go. There's how to add an event.